How to block someone on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat and then navigate to the profile page of the person that you want to block. Say for example, this one right here. Once you're here, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and from the given menu list at the bottom, click on block. You will get this confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to block this person? Click on block to confirm. And by doing that, this person will be blocked, as you can see. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can block people on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.